We got here to the Millennium Centre and I hadn't been on this stage since the opening night all those years ago. So walking out onto this stage for the first time, it really gave me a kind of punch, but in a wonderful way.
Mae'n fraint anhygoel cael perfformio ar lwyfan mor fendigedig. Unwaith neu ddwywaith dwi wedi bod yn y gynulleidfa, ond erioed wedi bod yn perfformio ar y lwyfan, a felly mae hynny'n fraint yn ei hun.
Born and bred to Cardiff. I grew up here. I've watched performances here. And to tell a Welsh story on a Welsh stage, I mean, that is incredible, right?
Dwi'n cofio pan o'n i yn y coleg drama yma yng Nghaerdydd. Gafon ni'n gwadd yma I fod yn cynulleidfa test. Gan ni'n eistedd reit yn y top yna. Ac o'n i erioed yn meddwl eistedd fan'na bys ni'n gwneud drama ar y llwyfan yma.
The auditorium is just absolutely incredible. To be able to walk on this stage and perform is a huge honour. It's pretty cool because the last time I was living here in the Bay, working in a hospital, and now I'm acting on stage in a hospital, and that's pretty cool.
And here we have this perfect place to tell stories on a large scale, big stories about who we are, where we've come from, where we're going. To be able to tell them in here is just perfect.